Welcome to a short update today, as it's once again time for negativity as the markets are dropping down. And are they going to continue towards a new retest of the lows? That's what we're discussing today. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit like. Also make sure to check out our discount. In January, we are going to launch the copy trading solutions for 4 portfolios, slowly getting there in the coming months. You will be able to join. Therefore, we are granting everyone a solution to join for a relatively low price. 30% discount, check the description. My portfolio is up around 9% on the past 3 weeks. It's a shitty trading period. The trade IDs are up 27% in 3 months if you use 1% risk. Now, when we're looking at the markets, there's some FUD happening again. And I guess today or next week, there's more going to come, as DCG and Genesis is going to announce what they will be doing. Most likely it's going to be a restructuring, as they have a liquidity issue. A liquidity issue is relatively easy to have in terms of being locked up in crypto protocols when it comes to staking solutions. And when you're locked up in staking solutions and the clients have an ability to withdraw, you get a big gap between the liquidity on both sides, and that's what probably has been happening. And therefore also Bitfavo has the issue that we have, and therefore now we also see a ton of negativity surrounding Binance, as everyone from the US is probably attacking Binance as he is the reason why FTX came down, which is not true. FTX fell apart by themselves. Now, Mazars has been suspending audits for crypto exchanges. Binance, KuCoin and Crypto.com documents are still online, but they quit it. They deleted the website. So we are actually going to see what that's going to bring. It's also saying that Mazars has paused work for all crypto clients globally, according to Binance, which was a customer of the auditing firm. And that is the reason why we are currently seeing a correction on the markets taking place. And maybe Genesis have been selling their positions in order to get the balance sheet back up or the liquidity issues to be resolved again. But we have seen a harsh drop, and that's due to the news that we've just been witnessing, through which Bitcoin is on a crucial path right now. First of all, we got this entire resistance area that we have been hitting and actually harshly been correcting from. Then second, we've got this entire move down, and we are on a crucial area around 16.8, which you preferably want to see holding, because if we do lose these areas, you're going to see a test around the low of 15.7 most likely, or at least we're going to have a test of the level which we didn't, which is 16.5. As in the meantime, all the levels are getting tested. So the outcome is most likely, like if you're looking at the price action of Bitcoin recently and in the past months, you can see that we've had a grind up and then a very fast correction down, grind up, very fast correction down. The question will be that we've got the same grind up and a very fast correction down, whether that's going to stop in the middle or whether we're going to sweep the lows again and get lower levels, because in the meantime also macroeconomics are not really working with us if we want to see bullish continuation on the markets. The DXY has been bouncing up, the yields have been relatively bouncing up, but especially the indices are starting to show weakness as they have been correcting a lot since the recent high. The Nasdaq has been falling apart by 8% in a matter of few days. If we're looking at the European stock index, it's dropping quite fast here, as you can see as well. Down 6%, catching up with the Euro stock markets at this point. So macroeconomics are terrible for now. At least the trend is currently up with the DAX, but it has to make a new higher low. Same goes for the Dow Jones, which is currently also making a higher low, or needs to make one if we want to have any continuation. And now we're looking at Bitcoin, which essentially got the same question. So right now we are on the cutting edge of a potential level that we should be holding if we want to see any continuation taking place for Bitcoin. The levels that I'm watching are 15.5k. If we sweep here and reclaim, that is the ultimate trigger. And the only reason I thought we would be going there is if another one falls. Well, if Genesis is going to have a restructuring taking place, or the news comes out within a week, I think short term that's going to impact markets in a terrible way, but if it is restructuring and clients are safe, I think that after that we are done and that it's time to start moving upwards. If there's no news coming out, I think we just continue falling down alongside the macroeconomics or alongside the indices, and therefore I'm watching this as a level. We might be bouncing from 16.5, but then I need lower time frame confirmation before I'm getting activated in my positions. And further, I really want to see a reclaim here at 17.4, and if not, this is going to be my shorting range, and then we're going to look at 16.5. So that's technically what I'm looking at. Markets are not doing great. I'll be back tomorrow and on Sunday with some more content based on what has been happening. Ciao.